Hey guys, welcome to this video on binary search trees, or BST for short. So here we want to create a binary search tree from the following array, and in the red we have our array. It contains five integer values. So the binary search tree has a few rules that we need to go over before we can start creating a binary search tree. And the first rule is that a parent node has at most 2 child nodes, and the second is that the left child node is always less than the parent node, and the third is that the right child node is always greater than or equal to the parent node. So let's start by inserting the very first value in the array into our tree, and it will be our root node. So we put 5 in the tree, and that was our first value in our array. Next, we look at the next value in our array, which is 5, and we check to see if that 5 is less than the current 5 in our binary search tree, and we can see that 5 is actually equal to our root node. So we're going to place that value 5 to the right of the tree. All right, then we're going to look at the next value, which is also 5. And we're going to first look at the root node, and we see that 5 is equal to 5, so we go to the right. We look at the second node, we see that 5 is equal to 5 again, and so we're going to go to the right again. And this will basically continue on all the way down until we have inserted all of these values into our tree. And then we get this little structure here that basically looks like a linked list, and in fact it's no more efficient than a linked list. So maybe for this array here, a binary search tree structure may not be the best choice. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions you have in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button and click on that subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, please share it. Maybe others will find it helpful as well. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.